and this is something to be grateful for. If not, by now I for the cry heartbreak. But I didn't have any heartbreak. There's no lights, so manage me like this, I beg. Manage me like this. Hi family, welcome back to Slice of Christabel or Crystal_TV, depending on where you get to meet me on this channel, before or after now. My name is Christabel, a final year student of Ambassador University. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the things I'm grateful for. Last year beginning, I came across a video on TikTok. So the video was about someone opening her gratitude box of things she was grateful to God for last year, last 2023. I saw it 2024. So last year beginning, I brought this bottle. As you can see, there are some things inside of it. I was not able to fill it up because I often travel and come back, so I don't take the bottle with me. Went for my IT. My old subscribers already know I went for my IT and I did not take the bottle with me, so that was the only reason why this bottle is not filled. So I think this bottle only contains like 2 months or a month of breakthrough for me. Maybe, I don't know, some things I kept in here are some testimonies of maybe a month, I don't know. So today we are going to be unbottling, guys. It's not unboxing, so it's an unbottling video, and we'll be reading what I was grateful for last year. I'm open for promotions and collaborations. Please reach out to me, and sponsorship as well. So the first one here, I took this thing just to help me remove it. So the first one here, I bought that bed cover finally. So last year I was going through a lot, and I had a bed, or I have a bed. I still have it, only that night covered. So last year I have a bed, and whenever I sleep on it, I usually leaves those foam marks on my head. It's not on my head again because it's no longer there, but before it usually leave those foam marks on my head, and when I wake up in the morning I feel so embarrassed because there will be foam on my head. So when I finally bought the bed cover, I was so grateful to God, and that was the only reason why I wrote this. I was very happy that I no longer have bed foams on my head anymore, and that is something someone should be happy for. To me, last year. 19th of March 2024, I didn't have enough to eat throughout the week, and God blessed Daddy, and he blessed me with 10K. One is out, so I'm sweating because there's heat, nothing else. So it says good grade in 200 second semester. In second semester, 200 level. Thank you, Jesus. So 200 level, we usually use computer to do our exams, and I got good grades all throughout. The woman, her child, and the bike man that got accident didn't die. So guys, last year when I was going to school to write my exam, a woman and her child and the bike man, they all fell into the gutter. The thing, I can still remember it off my head because it was something terrible, very terrible. The woman jumped up immediately. Like, if you see that's when I knew that mother's strength is strong, because the way the woman jumped up immediately, and then she started checking on her child to see if he's okay, but the child was still an injury on his head. The bike man was fine too. The woman was fine. They just they collided and fell into the gutter, but thank God they didn't die. So when I got home, I was able to write it on a piece of paper, and then I dropped it inside the bottle of gratitude. I started listening to sermon, that's preachings, and reading my Bible more. That is a very great testimony, because at a point I stopped preaching my Bible, I stopped listening to sermons. I was reading my Bible more, and I was listening to more sermons. That's something to be grateful to God for, right? This would be a very funny one, but it was not funny then. I got to 197 subscribers. Guys, I got to 197 subscribers, and I wrote it down because that time, like my channel was facing through a lot, and you know, small, even now, small channels face a lot of challenges in having subscribers. It's only okay that you, as a YouTuber, thank God that you're having 197 subscribers. You get, so you don't have to judge me. I wrote it down because yes, God really gave me 2 subscribers. Okay, we're able to remove everything out so that I can rest. So these are the testimonies. I'm sweating. So the next one is 5th of April. My YouTube channel got to 150 subscribers. So guys, my phone was overheating. That's the only reason why the video was short. So I got another one. 31st of March. Came back from Benin safely. I told you I was traveling so much, so I came back from Benin safely, and that was the only reason why I wrote this paper. So 19th of March 2024, bike man almost hit a trailer. This is a personal testimony, and God saved us. Thank you, Jesus. Guys, so if you have watched to this point, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment good things too. I passed yesterday 215 Python, so it's a course, a programming course, a computer course, and it was a broad course, and I passed it. So guys, I passed the course. Guys, there's no lights, so manage me like this, I beg. Manage me like this. There's no lights and there's heat, so that's what I'm saying. I passed the course, and that's why I wrote the testimony. So the next one, I have 2 more to go. I got 124 subscribers on the 23rd of March 2024. So you see, this is more than a month testimony. And then 200 level done and dusted. This is very funny. 200 level done and dusted. No unnecessary dating. So I didn't waste my time with somebody's son, and I didn't date anybody. And this is something to be grateful for. If not, by now I for the cry heartbreak. But I didn't have any heartbreak in 200 level. I didn't have unnecessary dating, and that is something to be grateful for. Guys, this is where we end the video. This is the end of the video. Tell me if you're going to adapt to something like this. You're going to try this out, write your testimonies and keep them somewhere, and at the end of the year you read it out to yourself and be grateful for it. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you happen to watch to this end point. I love you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, in the next video, don't forget to keep sticking around.